Buckle up, folks, because DJI is back and they're coming in hot. The Osmo Action 6 is making headlines, and it's already shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera drops of 2025. This isn't just a routine refresh or a small step forward. No, this is the bold successor to the Action 5 Pro, and it's carrying the kind of upgrades that could redefine what an action camera can be. If you thought DJI was done surprising us, think again. What makes this launch even more electrifying are the leaks. Crystal clear tester images and real-world glimpses that don't look like your average fuzzy spy shots. These have intentional tease written all over them, and they give us our first taste of what DJI has been cooking up. From pairing with a smartwatch for next-level control, to jaw-dropping video specs, to mysterious design elements no one can quite figure out yet, the Osmo Action 6 is already buzzing louder than anything else in the action cam scene. Welcome to Technify, your ultimate source for cutting-edge tech insights and game-changing gadgets. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the Osmo Action 6 one of the most anticipated cameras of the year. Let's get started. So, what exactly is DJI bringing to the table with the Osmo Action 6? For starters, leaked tester shots reveal a wild new integration: smartwatch pairing. Imagine yourself mid-adventure, racing down a mountain trail, surfing the waves, or cycling at full speed, and with a quick glance at your wrist, you've got complete control. You can start and stop recordings, switch camera modes, and monitor your status, all without ever reaching for the camera. That alone is cool enough, but here's where it gets truly next level. Biometric and location data like heart rate, oxygen levels, GPS position, and even your speed can be synced directly into your footage in real time. That means storytelling on a whole new scale. On the imaging side, DJI is flexing serious muscle. The Osmo Action 6 is reportedly packing a massive 1-inch sensor, capable of delivering a stunning 13.5 stops of dynamic range. That translates to better detail in both highlights and shadows, giving footage a crisp, cinematic look that creators crave. And the video specs are nothing short of mouth-watering: 8K at 30 frames per second for ultra-high resolution content, 5.3K at 60 frames per second for smooth, professional-grade quality, and silky 4K at 120 frames per second for slow-motion shots that look straight out of a film reel. This is not just an incremental bump, it's a serious leap forward in visual performance. Design-wise, DJI seems to be sticking with what works: the beloved dual-screen layout, with a display on the back and another on the front. This makes it perfect for vloggers, travelers, and action enthusiasts who want to stay perfectly framed without fumbling with angles. But tucked under the front screen is something mysterious: a pill-shaped component that isn't a speaker, button, or anything we've seen before in action cams. Theories are swirling. Could it be a new sensor? A gesture control pad? Or maybe an entirely new feature DJI hasn't hinted at yet? Whatever it is, it's fueling curiosity and excitement. Beyond flashy new tricks, DJI appears to have made subtle refinements to the body. The leak suggests slight changes that could mean improved grip, better weight balance, or even smarter thermal control to keep the camera cool during long shoots. These may sound small, but they're the kind of details that can make a huge difference in real-world use. Even more telling are recent FCC filings, which show two different battery sizes: 1,770 mAh and 1,500 mAh. This strongly hints at a dual-release strategy, possibly a standard model and a Pro version. The larger battery would likely power a feature-packed premium variant, while the smaller one could be aimed at users who prefer a compact or budget-friendly design. It's a smart move that gives creators more choice without sacrificing innovation. Of course, as with all leaks, a little skepticism is healthy. But here's the thing: these aren't low-quality, blurry images. They're sharp, polished, and almost too good to be accidental. When leaks look this refined, you know something official is brewing. And if even half of what we're hearing turns out to be true, the Osmo Action 6 could be the camera that sets a new benchmark in 2025. And that, friends, is the story of the DJI Osmo Action 6, a camera that's already stealing the spotlight before it's even officially unveiled. From smartwatch control that makes your adventures more connected than ever, to its 1-inch sensor and powerhouse video specs, DJI seems determined to give creators every tool they need to push storytelling into bold, uncharted territory. Add in the sleek dual-screen design, intriguing mystery features, and the possibility of dual models with different batteries. And the Action 6 feels less like a small update and more like a full-on reinvention of the action camera playbook. At Technify, we're keeping a close eye on every leak, filing, and rumor, because all signs point to DJI making a massive splash later this year. If history is any guide, they're about to shake up the industry yet again, and this time with features that could change how we capture and relive our most epic moments. So here's the bottom line. Whether you're a vlogger chasing that perfect frame, an athlete pushing your limits, or just someone who loves documenting life's adventures, the Osmo Action 6 is looking like the companion you've been waiting for. Stay tuned, because the official reveal could be just around the corner. And trust us, you won't want to miss it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're right here with us when the Action 6 finally drops. The future of action cameras is almost here, and it's about to be a wild ride.